Understanding Area and Volume, a guide for English learners. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore two essential mathematical concepts, area and volume. Understanding these terms is not only crucial for mathematics but also in everyday life. Let's dive in and make these concepts easy and clear. Area refers to the amount of space within a two-dimensional shape. Imagine you're painting a wall. The area is the surface you cover with paint. Common shapes include squares, rectangles, triangles, and circles. We measure area in square units, like square meters, m squared, or square feet, ft squared. Calculating the area varies with the shape. For a rectangle, multiply the length by the width. For a square, it's the side length squared. A triangle requires half the base times the height. The area of a circle is pi times the radius squared. Moving to 3 dimensions, volume measures the space a 3D object occupies. Think of it like filling a water bottle. The volume is how much water the bottle can hold. Common 3D shapes include cubes, cylinders, and spheres. Volume is measured in cubic units, like cubic meters, m cubed, or cubic feet, ft cubed. Like area, the method to calculate volume depends on the shape. For a cube, it's the side length cubed. A cylinder's volume is pi times the radius squared times the height. For a sphere, it's 4/3 times pi times the radius cubed. And that's a wrap on area and volume. Remember, area is about flat surfaces, while volume is about the space inside 3D objects. We hope this video helps you understand and use these concepts confidently in English. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.